Welcome to my channel. Netgear EX6410 AC1900 Wi-Fi Mesh Extender Setup via Web Browser. Step 1. Plug in the extender. Wait for the power LED to turn solid white. Step 2. Connect to extender network. On your phone or laptop, connect to Netgear_EXT. Step 3. Open web browser. Go to http://www.mywifi.ext.net. Step 4. Launch Setup Wizard. Click New Extender Setup. Create an admin password and answer security questions. Step 5. Choose Setup Mode. Select Wi-Fi Range Extender Mode. Let it scan and select your main Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 6. Configure Extended Network. Choose the extended network name, default, your SSID_EXT. Confirm and complete the setup. Step 7. Reconnect and finalize. Connect to the new extended network on your device. Test the connection and relocate extender if needed. For instant help call 1-800-915-5645.